To do this, first all you need to do is to drag in the clips you want to use for this, and then you start to what up guys, it's your boy Testy Plays. So guys, today on Testy Plays we are going to do some cool video editing with Sony Vegas 15. Yeah, so guys, today tutorial is how to slow and fast in your video, how to slow down and how to fast the video. Like if you need like slow motion, right? I know a lot of people have seen this on Sony Vegas, but let's make it more shorter instead of making it long. You'll be explaining a lot of shit. So to do this, first off you need to do is to go straight to this place. You drag in the file you want to use for this, you press open option. Yeah, say checking. Yeah, let me see this one because this is very simple. To know that this your video is slow or fast, you need to trace it through the sound. If you're using sound, let me go straight to the top. Yeah, so that sound look very more fast. That sound look very okay. No, this is the real sound I use for this, but it look okay. As you can see, I want to slow down this video. Like I want to slow down. You can be looking, monitor this place, because that's how you would know. Sorry for that. That's how you know that the thing is looking more slower or fast. So you can trace it through the sound. You cannot, even though you don't want to use sound, you can still do this. Let me show you this easy way. So first thing you need to do is to hold your control and your right key, and you draw this out. As you can see, this is looking more longer and longer and longer. You can draw this out. Okay, let's see. Look at something that is very little before, now it's very this. Okay, look at. So you can see that is very slow, no, this is very slow. You can still do this normally. If you don't want it to look very slow like that, you can do this. Let me just draw this a little bit out more. Okay, let's see. So yeah, to draw this control, that is still the control on your right key to do all this trick. Draw that out, then you can see. This is in slow, so let us make it more faster, as in let it be more fast than what you get from the normal one. So guys, you can see. Let me see, I want to drag this a little bit. Let me drag this in. Yeah, let me drag this in. So, you can see. See? That was very fast. Very fast. So that's how to do this, guys. This is the real clips. Because this is the real clip. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, like this video if you find this useful to you on Sony Vegas 15. So guys, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more clips. I would do appreciate that. Please check out my playlist to see my cool stuff I made through Sony Vegas 15, 12. So guys, you can do this in Sony Vegas or Sony Vegas, no matter what. No need for you to say, okay, I need to upgrade my Sony Vegas to 15 or that. Yeah, Sony Vegas 15 has a good quality for on your video reading. can reading, and it's reading very fast now. Sony Vegas 15 is reading your video very fast. So guys, you can still download it or use it. So guys, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, comment what software you use down, so we can get more improver. So I know I'm not the best in Sony Vegas, but please subscribe for more tips. Comment down what you need to learn on Sony Vegas. Let's see if we can go more deep and teach you more on Sony Vegas. Join me live every Wednesday. No, sorry, join me live every Friday and Saturday. I do play Roblox. So guys, thank you all for watching this. Bye.